Hello friends. So we all know that our exams are coming up, and I'm sure that many of us are facing that fear, facing that stress of pata nahi kya hoga, whether we will be able to answer the questions correctly. So why do we face exam fear? Is basically we start thinking, we start imagining about things that have not even happened, and we think on the negative side. Even though we must have read a lot, but we will always feel like we'll get questions from what we have not read. So remember that if you get the questions, if you're able to answer them, whatever you have read, well and good, that's your good day, that's your lucky day. But let us say that suppose even if you get questions from whatever you have not read, what is the worst possible thing that can happen? You might not get a score that you might have expected. Remember that one exam result does not prove your capability to anyone. And you are not giving these exams to prove yourself to anyone. It is for your own self, for your own future. If you score good, you get your dream branch, well and good. If not, you are going to get another exam. You are going to get another opportunity. You know, our life is very much like the game of cricket. I would say it is much better than that as well. Because at least in the game of cricket, when the batsman is batting, you have the wicket keeper behind, you have the fielders around who are all there to give you a wicket ताकि आप आउट हो जाओ और आप गेम के बाहर हो जाओ. But in the game of life, you are the batsman. There is no wicket keeper behind. There are no fielders. Every opportunity comes like a ball. If you are there on the ground, and let's say even if you miss one ball, how does that matter? You are going to get another ball, that is another opportunity. But let us say that you leave the ground and you run away. You are not going to get another ball at all. So in the game of life, there's no wicket keeper, no fielders to आपको out कर सके, but it is only you who will decide. As long as you are there on the ground, not worrying about the ball which you missed, looking about the past, but focusing on the ball which is about to come, the new opportunity. There will be at least that one ball, there will be at least that one opportunity, there will be at least that one day when you will hit a six, and it will be equivalent or much more than all the balls, all the opportunities that you have missed in the past. But all this is possible only if you pay attention to the new balls that life is throwing at through. That is the new opportunities that are coming at your way. Do not leave the ground. Stay persistent. Someone might hit a six in the first ball. Someone might hit a six in the last ball. It's all about hitting a six, be it in the first ball or be it in the last ball. So stay there on the ground. Stay persistent. Keep focus on the upcoming opportunity, and remember, one exam, one event does not determine your capability, does not define you. End of one exam, end of one event which you could not do well in does not mean that it is the end of life. Life is much beyond than these exams, much beyond these petty things. Our marks, no scorecard has ever been able to define the capability of any human being. We are much beyond that. You might have seen that someone who has been a topper in the school, in the college days, might not do as well as someone who was not a topper, who was an average student. So our scorecards, our report cards do not define how we are going to do in life, but how we take up the every opportunity that is coming our way. That is what determines our life. So wishing you all the best. I hope this video helps you to calm down and decrease your exam stress, exam fear, and exam anxiety. Thank you so much.